Huepar 3x360 green beam 3D laser level 1 360 degrees horizontal and 2 360 degrees vertical planes enable users to cover the floor, wall, ceiling all around the room. The 3 laser lines can be selected individually depending on job site applications. With our smart pendulum system, this laser level tool self-levels and indicates out-of-level conditions while the pendulum is unlocked. Once the pendulum is locked, it switches to manual mode to lock lines for use at any angle. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Line switching. Short press the laser button to switch the laser lines. The laser lines can be selected separately according to job requirements. The laser line can be temporarily turned off by phone when you need to leave for a while. Number 2. Visibility adjustment. The visibility of the laser beam can be adjusted by connecting with the Huepar app. Slide the brightness bar to the brightness you need. The visibility adjustment function is not applicable after the pulse mode is turned on. Number 3. Pulse mode. Short press the pulse button to switch on/off the pulse mode. When connecting with Huepar app, the pulse mode can be switched on/off via app. Pulse mode extends the working range up to 200 feet in brighter working conditions when used with Huepar line laser receiver. It is compatible with Huepar LR6RG divided by LR5RG laser detector only. Number 4. Smart pendulum. Self-leveling mode. When the laser tool is switched to the unlocked position, the self-leveling mode is enabled. The laser beam will blink continuously to indicate out-of-level conditions up to +4 degrees. Connecting with Huepar app. A level icon will be displayed to remind the user when it is beyond the self-leveling range. Manual mode. When the pendulum lock is in the locked position, manual mode locks laser lines for use at any angle. The laser beam will blink every 3 to 5 seconds to remind it's not self-leveling now. When connecting with Huepar app, a lock icon will be displayed to remind the user it is in manual mode now. Note: due to the design of the pendulum locking device, the laser tool cannot be controlled to be turned on/off by Bluetooth. Number 5. Easy to use. Metal top design. Over molded metal top laser window with IP54 water. Dust resistance ensures you work well in hazardous working environments. Green target plate. Increases the visibility of the laser beam. 360 degrees strong magnetic pivoting base. This allows for attachment to metal track and steel, supporting you to turn the laser level around at 360 degrees, projecting lines at any angle. 2 mount sizes. 1/4 inches 20 and 5/8 inches 11 mounting threads for temporarily fastening in place or being fixed on a tripod. Number 6. Triple power supply. This laser tool utilizes the included large capacity lithium battery, which is compatible with the Samsung SBL110 battery. This laser tool comes with a holder for installing an AA battery for using the tool. Direct input charging. This laser tool can be used at the job site with direct input charging even if take out the battery. Charging protection help prevent the tool from overcharging. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this unit have an on-off switch for power to the laser, or do you have to remove the battery to shut it off? Answer: this laser level comes with an on-off switch to turn on/off the tool. Question number 2. Is the only way to use this via Bluetooth, or is the manual buttons as well that have all the functions? Answer: except for the visibility adjustment function, all the other functions can be operated by the manual buttons, such as switch between manual mode and self-leveling mode, turn on pulse mode, etc. Question number 3. Are the 2 vertical beams 90 degrees to each other? And what is the accuracy of that squareness? Answer: the 2 360 degrees vertical laser lines cross at 90 degrees to each other. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.